Hi, welcome to yet another Snapseed tutorial. In this video we will see how to replace sky and add dramatic effects to the image. Open the original image in Snapseed, then we will increase the highlights and open up the shadows. Next we will convert this image to black and white and use the blue filter to make it more contrasty. Next we will go to curves and drag the bottom pointer to the right and the top pointer to the left to make it more contrasty black and white. We will save this layer by using the share key. Next, with the double exposure, we will add the sky to this layer. Adjust the sky layer as per your need. From the blending options at the bottom, select the darken blending option. Again we will save this layer with the share button. Next we will discard the earlier layer of sky and invert the black and white layer. With the help of double exposure, we will add the original image to this layer. Select the blending option darken again for this layer. Again with the help of double exposure, we will add the same image with the sky with the foreground black to this image. To balance both the layers, we will use the white balance tool and auto white balance to manage the overall white balance of the image. Now some fine tuning of this image. cropping the image to make it more cinematic. Thank you for watching, and please do follow on my Instagram for such Snapseed tutorials.